Alright, so we got new vacuum, and we're gonna take it inside. You can have a pause. There it is. You already have the charger. We got the charger out of the thing. Let's see if it works.
Your mouth stinks.
Okay, in the next video, we'll test and see how well it does.
Trip. You're an
Alright, so the other video, we were unboxing this, and now we're gonna test it. I promise.
Sorry for the terrible player.
You throw it, dummy.
I can't play alone. What should I do?
You should get a pet. Buy a friend and get us food money.
Works perfect on purpose. Oh, glitched out for some odd reason. Like, alright, so I get this robot 200 stars out of 10. It's super good. And look how well the lines are.